Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Michael Saylor-led strategy has acquired 4,048 BTC for $449.3 million at an average price of $110,981 per coin. So this latest buy brings the company's total BTC holdings to 636,505 BTC, now valued at $69.69 billion. While Strategy's cumulative investment stands at $46.95 billion, averaging $73,765 per BTC. The firm reported a 25.7% year-to-date yield in 2025, strengthening its role as a top institutional investor. The purchase comes as Bitcoin surged past $110,000, highlighting growing adoption and institutional confidence in digital assets. BitMine Immersion Technologies has added over 150,000 ETH, raising its total to 1.87 million tokens worth $8.1 billion. The Nasdaq-listed treasury firm led by Tom Lee also holds $635 million in cash for future purchases. BitMine shifted to an Ethereum strategy in June, aiming to corner 5% of ETH supply and stake tokens for yield. So despite ETH's recent pullback, BitMine remains the largest listed ETH treasury, trailing only Strategy's $71 billion Bitcoin holdings among all crypto-focused treasury firms. Japanese exchange Coincheck has acquired Aplo, a France-regulated digital asset prime broker supervised by the AMF. The deal, with terms undisclosed, strengthens Coincheck's expansion into Europe. Founded in 2012 and rebranded in 2014, Coincheck listed its holding company on Nasdaq in 2024. So Aplo's shares will be swapped for newly issued Coincheck shares, with the deal expected to close by October 2025. Aplo is also working towards full licensing under the EU's MiCA rules, boosting Coincheck's regulatory footprint in Europe. Crypto exchange Gemini is targeting a $2.22 billion valuation in its planned US IPO. The Winklevoss-founded firm aims to raise up to $317 million by offering 16.67 million shares at $17 to $19 each. Backed by Goldman Sachs, Citigroup and Morgan Stanley as book runners, Gemini joins other crypto companies entering US markets. Founded in 2014, Gemini has positioned itself as a regulated alternative to offshore exchanges, though it has faced regulatory challenges, including disputes with Genesis. The IPO marks a milestone for the company. Coinbase derivatives will launch the Magnificent 7 Plus Crypto Equity Index futures on September 22nd, the first US-listed product combining tech stocks and crypto ETFs. The index includes Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Coinbase, and 2 BlackRock crypto ETFs. So each contract is cash settled and represents $1 times the index value. The product rebalanced quarterly is designed to give investors exposure to innovation sectors across Silicon Valley and blockchain. Coinbase said it offers a more efficient way to manage multi-asset risk. The Ethereum Foundation said it will sell 10,000 ETH worth about $43 million through centralized exchanges over the coming weeks. The sales will be spread across smaller orders to fund R&D, ecosystem grants and donations. The announcement follows the foundation's new treasury policy that caps annual spending at 15% and builds multi-year reserves. In July, the foundation sold another 10,000 ETH to Sharpling Gaming. The move comes as ETH trades near all-time highs, having surged to $4,866 in late August. Netherlands-based Treasury, a Bitcoin treasury firm backed by the Winklevoss twins, will list in Amsterdam via reverse merger with MKB NetSense. The firm raised $147 million from Winklevoss Capital and Nakamoto Holdings and has already accumulated more than 1,000 Bitcoin. Unlike broader crypto firms, Bitcoin treasuries hold BTC as their main asset. The transaction valued Treasury at a 72% premium to MKB's July share price, targeting a post-consolidation price of €2.10. The listing comes amid Bitcoin's surge above $120,000 on strong institutional demand. CIMG has raised $55 million in a share sale to expand its Bitcoin treasury. The company issued 220 million shares at $0.25 each in exchange for 500 Bitcoin, now worth about $55.5 million. The move aligns with its long-term Bitcoin holding strategy, with CEO Wang Jianshuang emphasizing investor value. So it follows large purchases by Strategy and Japan's Metaplanet, both boosting their crypto stockpiles. CIMG joins a growing list of firms adding Bitcoin as part of treasury management amid renewed price gains. World Liberty Financial, a Trump family-backed crypto project, has burned 47 million tokens to counter declining prices. The burn recorded on Etherscan permanently removed 0.19% of the circulating supply. WLFI launched Monday, peaking at $0.331 before falling to $0.23. So World Liberty says it will expand the burn program, funding it with liquidity fees to drive scarcity. Now, despite unlocking 25% of its 100 billion supply, the token continues to face downward price pressure in early trading. Kraken has expanded its tokenized equities product, X stocks, to Ethereum, adding more than 60 ERC20 tokenized assets like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, and SPYX. Each token is backed by 1:1 by the underlying stock via Kraken's partner backed. Ethereum becomes the fourth network after Solana, BNB Chain, and Tron. The move allows non-US clients to use tokenized stocks in DeFi protocols, including lending and yield farming. Kraken says the launch makes X stocks more composable financial instruments beyond exchange trading. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code.